Take a ride in 2021 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, backup camera. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.